My name is Taryn Courtney, and I am the HR Business Partner for the Interior Experience Business Unit at Marelli. We are a global automotive supplier, and we make car parts. Marelli is a great place to work. We're very excited about new candidates that we're bringing in the door. We've got great benefits programs, paid time off, holidays, education reimbursement programs, several different things in place to really not only attract team members, but retain. Our goal is to hire to retire. Two of the positions we have the greatest need for are the production technician or operator and skilled trades. With just the reduction in the labor workforce right now, the people available to work, those are the two positions that we're really struggling to find. Right now it is really an employee's market. If you are available to work and looking for opportunity, there are several opportunities out there. From the employer side, we're really striving to be a great place to work. We have several new ideas that we're working on currently to just enhance the employee experience. Let's get to work, Rutherford.